Hello, this is Mr. Heeb, and today I'm going to talk to you about making percussion in Sonic Pi. So we're going to make some beats, and before we make the beats here in Sonic Pi, I want to show you something that is a little bit better for making beats. You're just going to go to open up a tab and type in Drumbit. Now, Drumbit is an online drum machine. So when we click on this, this drum machine pops up. Now, this drum machine, when we click on these, it creates different sounds. And when we click on this run button in the right-hand corner, now some people might think that sounds awesome. Other people might think it's just chaos. If you want to clear it, hit clear. I'm going to teach you how to read some basic beats and make something that on your own eventually. So this right here is a basic beat. So don't be too freaked out if you don't understand music. I'm not a music guy either. So Mr. Gronert explained this to me, and I think I can explain it to you quite well. So these are kick drums on this bottom row. And so don't see this as an F note or a C note. Think of it as a kick drum. So kick, and up here is a snare. So kick, snare, kick, snare. That's a really basic beat. And we count this 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I show you with little annotations here, the first beat is going to be a kick, the second one is snare, kick, snare. So when we go to our drum machine, we do kick, snare. So if we fill that out and then hit play, sounds kind of clubby. You can move down the beats per minute if you want. If you think that's a little too fast, we'll go down to 60. And there we go. Now we have a beat. We can change things if we want, but now we want to code this into Sonic Pi. Now let's look. Really, we're just repeating these first two notes. So if we put these first two notes in a loop, then we can just run the whole thing. So first thing we got to do is say loop do, and then I have hashtags 1 through 16 for these lessons because there are 16 notes here. Now in this one we don't need all 16 notes. We just need the first two notes. So after on the first beat, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sample. And the sample is going to be drum, heavy, kick. So drum, heavy, kick, and then we're going to sleep. I like sleeping just for half a second. And then we're going to do another sample, which is our snare. Let's do snare hard and sleep. Alright, so then at the end of our loop, we need an end. And then it's just going to loop through these two. Let's see what it sounds like. Sounds like a basic rock beat. All right, and now hopefully you can code this and have a basic beat to go along with some music.